This is the house where the guards were living and were trained. The entrance into the, what's it called? The prisoners' camp.
Former inmate of the concentration camp.
Here's a cafe next to the concentration camp. And we got currywurst. You can see it right there. The sausage with curry and fries.
Lauren actually bought fruit.
I'm a healthy bitch.
Lauren and our family have off the
About to go grocery shopping.
About to go grocery. You should get like
German McDonald's. So this is a German chicken. I already tried chicken in the US and Italy. This one's oval.
That's not on chat. I'll send it to them on Snapchat.
No sesame bun. You're in the way of my video.
Do you have a 10?
They're zooming away.